What is a foster family? Is it required in an Orthodox Jewish conversion? Hi, I'm Batya. I had lived with my foster family and I'm a Filipina who converted to Orthodox Judaism under the Rabbinate of Israel. Yes, I had lived with my foster family for almost a year, but not everyone in our class had one. That means it is not prerequisite or required in the Rabbinate of Israel to have a foster family. Some Beitins here in America, they do require, but again, it is not a universal requirement. So what is a foster family? Foster family, they serve as social, spiritual, emotional support to the conversion candidate, but it is not governed by any legal, formal, or standardized structure. Not that I'm aware of, or at least not in my experience or any of my friends. What is expected is at least how a Jewish home function, like how they raise their children, their relationship with each other, their family members, conversation around Shabbat table, the time they spend together, but most importantly, at least to me, is like how they observe Torah, perform mitzvos in their private life. And every part of this experience is very beautiful. I never heard screaming, shouting, or fighting. You see Siddur everywhere, constant davening, emergency mode every Shabbat, preparation for Sukkot, and then deep cleaning for Pesach. I experienced all of this firsthand with my foster family. They didn't just give me a home, they provided me a family. And that was my 7th month that I was in Israel. I suffered from extreme homesickness and stress and burden. And this family, they gave me connection, entry point to Israeli society, stability, comfort, belonging. This family and all other families who treated me with nothing but goodness, they are all my exemplar of how to build a Jewish home. A home rooted in Torah and mitzvos. Forever and ever and ever, I am eternally grateful and thankful to them. So how did I meet this beautiful foster family and all other families in Israel? I guess we have to wait for part 2 and stay tuned.